The FAS extension identifies an AutoCAD compiled Fast-LISP file containing compiled AutoLISP code for AutoCAD automation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load, run, or troubleshoot these AutoCAD automation files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical FAS data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. FAS files are compiled AutoLISP program files for Autodesk AutoCAD containing optimized bytecode versions of Lisp routines. They execute faster than source LSP files and provide intellectual property protection by distributing compiled code rather than readable source. AutoCAD FAS files use a proprietary compiled bytecode format generated from AutoLISP source code using the vlisp-compile function. They load directly into the AutoCAD LISP interpreter and execute with improved performance compared to interpreted LSP source files. The developer of Autodesk AutoCAD, Autodesk Inc., created the original specifications for FAS. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows can reveal the source, but running the script requires the correct command line environment. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your FAS file and select Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. When your FAS file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, loading in AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD and type Appload at the command line or navigate to Tools, then Load Application. Browse to the FAS file and click Load. The compiled AutoLISP routines become available as commands in the current AutoCAD session, ready for use. Next, auto-loading at startup. Copy the FAS file to AutoCAD's support directory, or add its location to the support file search path in Options. Add the file to the startup suite and Appload to automatically load the FAS file every time AutoCAD launches for persistent command availability. Finally, troubleshooting load errors. If a FAS file fails to load, verify it was compiled for your AutoCAD version, as FAS files may not be backward or forward compatible. Check for missing dependency files. Contact the FAS developer for a version compatible with your installed AutoCAD release. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.